Why did the lemon go into detox? Because it couldn't handle the sour life anymore. Welcome and thank you for joining us. Health and wellness have been areas of increasing interest, with many of us seeking ways to live cleaner, healthier lives. Detoxification and cleansing have rapidly emerged as popular methods to achieve this. As we venture into a world of detoxification, it's important to note that this process is about far more than just losing weight. It offers your body an opportunity for a comprehensive reset, a thorough cleanse, and a chance to function at its optimal capacity. Today, our objective is to navigate you through the world of detox diets and safe detox practices, an increasingly popular area in the wellness realm. We'll be taking a deep dive into the science that underpins these methods, debunking prevalent myths, and shedding light on some often misunderstood aspects. This is a journey of discovery, where we aim to provide you with the most reliable and accurate information possible. We want to empower you with knowledge, so you can make informed decisions about your health and well-being. From understanding how these diets work to evaluating their effectiveness, we'll be exploring a wide gamut of topics related to detoxification. This discussion will be packed with useful insights and practical advice, designed to help you make the most of your detox journey. As we traverse this landscape, we'll be providing you with a wealth of tips and tricks to help you navigate this path more effectively. So buckle up, grab your green juice, and prepare to embark on a journey of wellness and revitalization. We're about to get started. So, what exactly is detoxification and why is it important? Let's delve into the science behind it. Detoxification, or simply detox, is a natural process occurring within our bodies on a daily basis. It is a fascinating process that our body undergoes to cleanse itself from harmful substances or toxins. But what are these toxins? Toxins can come from an array of sources. They can enter our bodies through the food we eat, filled with pesticides or preservatives. They can seep in through the air we breathe, laden with pollutants from traffic or industry. Even the stress we endure from our daily lives can introduce these harmful substances into our system. Our body, as incredible as it is, has developed a mechanism to deal with these intruders. You may be curious, how does this detoxification process actually occur? The answer lies in the amazing interplay between several of our organs, each playing a vital role in maintaining our health and well-being. The main players in this natural cleansing process are our liver and kidneys. Our liver is truly the superhero of detoxification. Acting as the primary filtration system, it diligently filters our blood to identify and remove large toxins. It then metabolizes these toxins into a water-soluble form that can be safely eliminated from our bodies. The liver never rests. It's a tireless worker, always on the lookout for harmful invaders that might pose a threat to our health. On the other hand, our kidneys play the role of diligent waste management workers. They work round the clock, constantly filtering our blood and removing waste products through urine. Moreover, they also maintain a healthy balance of electrolytes and other vital substances within our body. They ensure that our body functions optimally, helping us feel healthy and energetic. In addition to these two, we have other organs like our lungs and skin that also partake in this detoxification symphony. Our lungs expel toxins through the air we exhale, ensuring our respiratory system remains clean and functional. On the other hand, our skin, the largest organ in our body, eliminates toxins through sweat, keeping our skin glowing and healthy. Why, you may ask, is this detoxification process so crucial for our health? Well, envision our bodies as a bustling city and toxins as the trash. If the trash isn't taken out regularly, it starts to pile up, leading to pollution, disease, and overall disarray. Similarly, if toxins aren't eliminated from our bodies, they can cause a multitude of health problems, ranging from fatigue and weight gain to serious diseases. It's important to note that our bodies are designed to handle a certain amount of toxins. However, in the fast-paced world we live in today, we're often exposed to more toxins than our bodies can efficiently eliminate. This is where the concept of aiding our bodies in the detoxification process becomes paramount. By providing our body with the right nutrients and care, we can enhance our body's natural detoxification process, ensuring our health and vitality. In the forthcoming segment, we'll delve deeper into how we can aid our bodies in this process, exploring various diets, exercises, and lifestyle changes that can make a significant difference. For now, having understood the science behind detoxification and its importance, let's move on to the ways we can aid our body in this crucial process. Now that we've understood the science behind it, let's move on to the ways we can aid our body in this process. Detox diets have gained immense popularity in recent years. This rise in popularity can be attributed to a variety of factors, including pressure to maintain an ideal body weight, the proliferation of health and wellness influencers promoting these diets on social media, and the allure of quick fixes for complex health issues. So what exactly do these detox diets entail? This question warrants a deeper dive. Detox diets, often marketed as cleanses, come in a multitude of forms, each with its own unique set of guidelines and purported benefits. Some of these diets require individuals to fast for extended periods, consuming only water or other low-calorie liquids. Others advocate for a diet consisting solely of fruits and vegetables, with the idea being that these nutrient-rich foods can help to flush out toxins and restore the body to a healthier state. Another common of detox diets is the inclusion of an array of herbal teas, dietary supplements, and even colon cleanses. These products are often presented as essential components of the detoxification process, with promises of increased energy levels, rapid weight loss, and improved overall health. One of the most popular and widely recognized detox diets is the Master Cleanse. This liquid-only diet comprises lemon juice, maple cayenne pepper, and water. Devotees of this cleanse consistently advocate for its effectiveness in facilitating rapid weight loss and improving digestion. However, it's important to highlight that this diet is severely lacking in essential nutrients and can lead to detrimental health effects such as fatigue, dizziness, and nutrient deficiencies if adhered to for extended periods. Another well-known detox diet is the juice cleanse. This diet involves consuming only fruit and vegetable juices for a number of days. Proponents argue that this approach gives your digestive system a rest, allowing your body to heal and absorb nutrients more efficiently. However, critics have pointed out that juice cleanses can lead to blood sugar spikes and may not provide enough fiber or protein to keep you feeling satiated. Then there's the detox tea diet, which involves drinking certain types of teas in an attempt to flush out toxins and lose weight. While some of these teas may contain beneficial herbs and antioxidants, many also include laxatives, which can lead to dehydration and imbalances in electrolyte levels if overused. In the end, detox diets are a controversial subject in the health and wellness world. While some individuals swear by their effectiveness, others caution that the potential side effects can outweigh the short-term benefits. One must approach these diets with caution and always under the supervision of a healthcare professional. Additionally, it's worth remembering that our bodies are naturally with organs like the liver and kidneys that work tirelessly to detoxify our systems. Mainstream health professionals often argue that a well-balanced diet, adequate hydration, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep are far more effective in promoting health and wellness than any detox diet. In conclusion, while detox diets may provide some immediate benefits, they are not without potential side effects. Therefore, the key to a successful detox diet is to do it responsibly and with the right guidance. Remember, the key to a successful detox diet is to do it responsibly and with the right guidance. Before we dive deeper, let's take a brief pause to reflect. If you're finding this video engaging, informative, and helpful, we'd greatly appreciate your support. Clicking the like button may seem like a simple action, but for us, it's a powerful affirmation of the effort we've put into creating this content. It's a small gesture that goes a long way in fostering our dedication and commitment. Moreover, subscribing to our channel keeps you in the loop with our latest content, ensuring that you're always up to date with our discussions, tips, and insights. Your subscription validates our mission and fuels our passion for delivering valuable content tailored to your needs and interests. Additionally, we highly encourage you to contribute to the conversation by sharing your thoughts, perspectives, and experiences in the comments section. Your interactive participation is what makes our community dynamic, diverse, and full of rich ideas. Your comments contribute significantly to the exchange of knowledge, ideas, and experiences that is so vital to our community's growth and success. Remember, your one like, subscription, and comment can make all the difference. It supports us in our endeavor, enriches our community, and ultimately helps us to serve you better. So why wait? Take a moment to like, subscribe, and comment. Now, back to our discussion on detoxification. So how can we detox safely and effectively? Let's explore. When we talk about detoxification, many might imagine drastic diets or juice cleanses. However, detoxification is not about punishing yourself with extreme measures. Instead, it's about embracing simple practices that can be most beneficial over time. These practices can be as basic as regular physical activity. Exercise has multiple advantages for our bodies. It not only helps to boost circulation, but also enhances the lymphatic flow. This, in turn, aids your body's natural detoxification process. Exercising also promotes sweating, which is another potent way of detoxifying your body. Whether you prefer a brisk walk around your neighborhood, a calming session of yoga, or a heart-pounding, high-intensity interval training, remember the key to gaining benefits is consistency. So it's time to lace up those sneakers, embrace the fresh air, and get moving. But it's crucial to remember that what you put in your body is just as important as what you work out of it. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can provide the much-needed nutrients for your body to function optimally. Specific foods like beetroot, garlic, and green leafy vegetables are well known for their detoxifying properties. The gut plays a crucial role in detoxification, so ensure you are caring for your gut health as well. Probiotics, which are incredibly beneficial for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, can be found in foods like yogurt and kimchi. Hydration is another important aspect of safe detox practices. Water, being the body's primary detox agent, helps to flush out toxins through sweat and urine. It also aids in digestion and nutrient absorption. Strive to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day and increase your intake if you're physically active. But keep in mind, all fluids count towards your hydration goals, including herbal teas and broths. Sleep, though often overlooked, plays a critical role in detoxification. During sleep, the brain's waste clearance system, known as the glymphatic system, goes into overdrive. It works hard to remove harmful toxins that your body accumulates during the day. Aim to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. If you're having trouble sleeping, consider practices like mindfulness, deep breathing, or a relaxing warm bath before bedtime. It's important to note that while these practices aid detoxification, they also contribute to overall health and well-being. Regular exercise can help maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. A balanced diet can boost immunity, improve digestion, and provide energy. Adequate hydration can improve skin health and energy levels, and a good night's sleep can enhance your mood and cognitive function. Detoxification is not about quick fixes or magic potions. It's about making conscious, healthy lifestyle choices that support the body's natural detoxification process. It's about finding a balance between work, rest, nutrition, and physical activeness. It's about making choices that not only aid detoxification, but also promote your overall health and well-being. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is the best detox. Looking for products to aid your detox journey? We've got some recommendations. Let's delve deeper into this, shall we? To aid you on your pursuit of wellness, we have a variety of products that could be incredibly useful. The first on our list is detox teas. These are not your ordinary teas. These herbal brews are filled to the brim with antioxidants and several other compounds that aid the body in eliminating toxins. Some of the most popular choices among these teas include green tea, dandelish root tea, and milk thistle tea. These are not only bursting with flavor, but are also known for their efficacy in aiding the detoxification process. These teas can be consumed hot or cold, and they offer a calming and soothing experience, a bonus to their detox properties. Next on our list is activated charcoal. Now let's clear up some misconceptions here. This isn't the type you would use for your barbecue. Activated charcoal has undergone processing to become ultra-absorbent, making it perfect for trapping unwanted substances in your digestive system. It's an old natural remedy that's been used for centuries to alleviate discomfort from bloating and gas. Including this in your detox plan could significantly improve its effectiveness. Along with these, we can't overlook probiotics. These are beneficial bacteria that reside in your gut, aiding in healthy digestion. Probiotics can help maintain a healthy balance of your gut flora, which is essential for an effective detox. Seek out products that contain a variety of probiotic strains, such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. These strains are known to offer maximum health benefits when it comes to detoxification. Finally, we come to liver support supplements. The liver is your body's primary detox organ, making it vital that it stays in top health. Supplements like milk thistle, turmeric, and dandelion root can contribute to healthy liver function and promote detoxification. These can be particularly useful if your diet doesn't provide enough of these naturally. These products, remember, are designed to complement a well-balanced detox plan, not replace it. Always complement these with a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and plentiful hydration for the best results. It's also crucial to keep in mind that everyone's body is unique. A product that works wonders for one individual might not yield the same results for another. Hence, it is always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before implementing any new regimen. You will find all the products mentioned linked in the description box below. Feel free to explore further. Prioritizing your well-being is always a smart choice, and these products could be just the boost you need. They can be a fantastic addition to your detox routine. But remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new regimen. So there you have it, the ins and outs of detoxification and cleansing. Delving into the world of health and wellness, we've gone beyond the surface, diving deep into the scientific process of detoxification. This is a biological system that works tirelessly to keep our bodies clean and free from harmful substances. We've dissected the steps this process involves, highlighting the organs that play a crucial role in this intricate system. The liver, kidneys, and skin are the superheroes of our body, tirelessly sifting through the toxins to ensure our bodies are rid of harmful substances. Our exploration then ushered us into the realm of detox diets. We scrutinized them under our lens, providing an in-depth analysis of the benefits these diets bring and the potential pitfalls that they might harbor. It's crucial to remember that detox diets are not a one-size-fits-all solution. They can certainly provide a jumpstart to your wellness journey, but it's important to understand that their effectiveness varies from person to person. Listening to our bodies and understanding what right and what doesn't is a key aspect of embarking on a detox journey. We then transition to discuss the importance of safe and effective detox practices. Not all methods are created equal, and we emphasize the importance of embarking on a detox plan that is suitable for you. A balanced diet and regular exercise are the two critical pillars that should accompany any detox plan. By adopting a holistic approach to health, we can ensure that our bodies are well equipped to naturally detoxify. Detox diets and cleanses can certainly leave us feeling lighter, more energetic, and rejuvenated, but they are not the magic cure for a healthier body. They are just one piece of the puzzle, contributing to the overall picture of health. They are not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. Our journey of exploration then led us to share our top product recommendations. We've curated a list of products that can aid in detoxification. These products are not magic bullets or miracle cures, but tools that can assist us on our quest for a healthier, toxin-free body. In our final, we reiterated the importance of a healthy lifestyle for natural detoxification. Our bodies are marvelously designed to detoxify naturally, and we can support this process by leading a healthy lifestyle. Eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and managing stress are all crucial components that support our body's natural detoxification process. Detoxification and cleansing are about sustaining long-term, practical changes in our lifestyle. They're about nurturing our bodies with care and love, rather than resorting to quick fixes or drastic measures. They contribute to our overall well-being, helping us live our lives to the fullest. In the end, remember, your body is your sanctuary, your temple. It's crucial to treat it with the respect and care it deserves, nourishing it with healthy foods and maintaining an active lifestyle. Don't forget to like and comment below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy,